Good evening, tubers, and welcome to the Bristol Iron Workshop. A continuation of the calf racer. It might not have changed much since the last time we saw it, apart from it's got a nice shiny tag on now. This is our tank that we're going to be using. It's a retro style aluminium fuel tank. Very nice, like that. Got a clutch lever on it now, which is kind of doing tight. Just a brief update really. The calipers have been sent away to get refurbed. They're in the process of being stripped down. We're going for new seals, pistons, nice coat of paint, etc, etc. We're still on the wiring as we speak. The majority of it is done. It just needs all tightening up and putting back. It's hanging down, but we worked out what's where the switches are going. All the headlight switches and that, a horn, are going to be on a nice central binnacle. That's going to be that when it's finished. This is our speedo. Just making bracket up for that at the moment. And yeah, just making brackets, fixings and attaching them to the frame. So we're there at the moment. After this we're going to start the exhaust probably? Yeah, move on to the exhaust pipe. So there you go, bit of an update for you. We're enjoying ourselves in here. A bit more is getting done now that we've got refreshments. Thanks to Dave127 for the contribution, muchly appreciated, needed this evening. So thanks for watching. Proper episode coming next week. Hopefully you'll definitely notice a difference. Like and subscribe. Find us on Facebook. Keep watching. The turret's still going on. We're still thinking of new ideas. The turret is actually hanging above us at the moment. Keep smacking our heads on it, which is a bit annoying. But yes, everything is moving forward. We'll see you again.